Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Here are some quick updates for the WTTTC Chengdun 2022. Currently the Chinese team leads Puerto Rico 2-0 by a big score. Ma Long is playing very well. Zhendong also defeated Brian Abanador 3-0. Let's see how the pro is practicing. More updates will come. The competition is very tough. Even for the German team, they had a very tough moment. Team Czech Republic has responded to an early setback by drawing level with Saudi Arabia over in men's team's Group 4, as Tomasz Polański overcomes Abdulaziz Bouchalebi in 4 exciting games, 11-2, 11-5, 8-11, 11-5. Germany survived. It was a close call, but Germany has seen off a tenacious Team India with a 3-2 win. Enghan's defensive skills proved crucial, with the world number 8 locking up 2 wins along the way. Primetime in Poland, Team Poland maintained their perfect men's team's record with a 3-0 win over Australia. They only have Sweden, the group's top team, remaining to play in the round robin. Upset alert, Italy stunned Brazil 3-1 to claim their first win in Chengdu. Georgia Pickholland was the backbone of the team, picking up 2 wins including a career-best performance defeating world number 21 Bruna Takahashi. France first past the post. France gets their first win in Chengdu and the first of the day too by defeating South Africa 3-0 to get the ball rolling in the women's team's group stage.